This is the final video to solve TypeError bytes like object is required in Python 3. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways but finally found multiple methods to solve TypeError bytes like object is required in Python 3, and I am going to share them with you. The core of this error lies in functions expecting binary data but receiving text. Method 1 addresses this by ensuring data is encoded correctly. Python 3 distinguishes strings from bytes. When a function explicitly requires bytes, sending a string without encoding will trigger this type error. Encoding converts the string into a sequence of bytes using a specified character encoding like UTF-8, satisfying the function's requirement. Method 2 involves decoding received bytes into a string. Conversely, if your code receives byte data and attempts to treat it as a string directly, this error will occur. Decoding converts the byte sequence back into a readable string, making it compatible with string expecting operations. Method 3 focuses on using appropriate data types from the start. Sometimes the error arises from a misunderstanding of how libraries or modules handle data. Explicitly ensuring that variables are initialized as bytes or strings as needed based on the documentation or expected input prevents mismatches. Method 4 involves checking function arguments carefully. This is a direct approach where you review the specific function call causing the error. By inspecting the function's signature and documentation, you can confirm the exact type of data it expects for each parameter and adjust your input accordingly, either by encoding or decoding as necessary.